Okay, today's word problem is not difficult, but it's something that some of us have trouble with is reading the question and thinking about what is it really asking. So this one says the apple orchard has 152 apple trees. There are 88 trees with red apples. The rest of the trees have green apples. How many more trees have red apples than green apples? Key details. The apple orchard has 152 apple trees. Circle the number, underline the key detail. 88 trees with red apples. The rest have green apples. I don't know how many green. How many more trees have red apples than green apples? That's my key detail. That's more. How many more red than green? That's my question that I would need to box. So first thing I need to do is I need to figure out how many green do I even have. So I know there is a total. So in my tape diagram, I know my total number of trees is that 152. Now I know one part. I've got 88 red. I know I have more red than green, so look at my tape diagram. Is that a good estimate? No. I've got more red than green, so I know this box needs to be bigger than this one. But this is my G, and I don't know. So to figure out how many green, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually subtract, because I've got a part, I've got my whole. To find the other part, I've got to subtract. So I have 152 minus 88. Okay, whenever I subtract 2 minus 8 in my ones place, I can't do that. I don't have enough to take 8 away. So I've got to borrow from my tens. This becomes 4 tens. And instead of having 2 ones, I gave 10 ones because I gave 1 10 away, which is 10 ones. So I've got now 12 ones. 12 minus 8, I know that's 4. 4 minus 8, once again, I can't do. So instead of having 100, I give one of the hundreds to the tens place, and I know 100 equals 10 tens. So instead of having 4 tens, I now have 14 tens. Okay, so this right here, 14 minus 8, I can do that. 14 minus 8, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 0 minus nothing. So you've got 64. Now, some of you all would automatically just turn right on there. Well, we've got 64 green. But that's not what the question's asking. I now know green equals 64. So now it's asking me how many more red than green. So if it's more than, I know I'm going to subtract 88 minus 64, because it's going to tell you how much more. So 8 minus 4, that's going to give you 4, and 8 minus 6, that's going to give you 2. So you've got 24 more red than green. So this is your actual answer. So the answer was 24 more.